Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I have another watch for you guys to share with you guys and show you. This is JC Guest Collection, and this was my first watch which I bought many years back, and I have it for quite long time and I really love this watch. It's one of a very sentimental values with me and very unique piece, though it's not that pricey or anything, but it is very fascinating to look, and really people appreciate it. The design and everything is quite good on it, and the quality is quite good as well. So yeah guys, I will be showing you, but the main thing about this watch is that it's a quartz movement, and the battery is finished, but I wanted to share it with you guys, and I didn't get a chance because I haven't worn it for a quite long time, many years now, but it's still sitting in my collection, and I really love it. And soon I'm going to change the battery and put it back on my wrist. But yeah, so this is GC Guest Collection watch, and very good watch to have, which I started with, and I really admire it and love it every day. So it's still there. So yeah guys, let me start with the review of it and show you guys what this watch is, and the quality and everything. GC, as you can see, it's a very chronograph kind of watch with date over here on the side. With it's a very good function of date. Starting with the date, I'm starting with the date actually, because it's a very good function. You can see 2 days above as well, which will be coming days, date, and the 2 date which went. So like it's on 3 right now, so 2 is past and 1 is past, so 4 will be the next day, and so it is quite easy to maneuver. It's a good feature and a good design in it, and 2 chronograph small dials, and 3 big dials, hour and minute and second hour, you can see, which are in blue, which I really like. The dial is basically in gray color, two-tone color, I will say, with lines, light gray and a darker, more darker side of it, as you can see in the video, covered with a GC logo, and the R size, the R markings are all in chrome, and 12 o'clock is in the 12 o'clock, which is a big 12 o'clock over there. And the bezel, you'll see it's all in black color, ceramic, I'll say, because it's shiny and it's more like ceramic, and the glass is all sapphire in it. It's a Swiss movement, but quartz. So yeah, but the dial is amazing in this watch. As you can see, this is, I think, 41 millimeter, and with all the screws on it for the design feature. They do work, they must be having a function, if you unscrew them. But overall, with the gray, matte gray finish and the ceramic black color, and it looks out really nice. Amazing design feature it is. It looks perfect on the wrist, and this from side, you can see it's a bit thick, and this is a very heavy watch, and it's the curves over here merge with your wrist quite well, and the lugs are pointing out with the over here. So yeah, and on the crown side we have a screw down crown. So, and it's a very flower shaped crown, from inside, and on the with the GC marking on the side, and on the shoulders there are 2 push buttons for the chronograph to work. So this is how it works, and somehow it is not working, so I don't know, I have to change the battery. I really love this watch. And yeah, at the strap, talking about the strap, it's all has a carbon fiber texture, or it is carbon fiber, I don't know about it. I never went into details of it, but it looks like it's a carbon fiber kind of a strap, but it looks really good while you are wearing it. The texture of carbon fiber, I mean, as you can see in the video, comes out really nice. I have never seen such kind of a strap yet. I mean, I haven't seen so many straps, but this is something really pulls me towards this watch. And the clasp is stainless steel as well, so you can, and double push, and you can release the clasp, which is quite convenient, and it has a very easy moving system, just like all the more fancy watches. Just to unlock this from here, and you can maneuver it, it fits like it, and you can use the strap in another watch as well with the hook as well, so that is quite convenient. And over here you can see there is a GC logo over here as well. So the strap is all stainless steel, it has said over here as well, so it's a double push. I mean, you can, so yeah. And at the bottom you have, let me, on the underside of the watch, you can see there is a big GC logo and some small minor details about the watch over here on this end. And this whole area, the back case is also all stainless steel. Very good watch to have in the collection. The finishing of the stainless steel on the bracelet is quite amazing. On the main dial, I mean, it's matte finish, brush finish, and just like a gun finish, I'll say, in a little easier way. Very nice finish. I mean, I don't like the fancy, I mean, the shiny, but the side shoulders, I mean, pusher, are all in chrome finish, and even the crown as well, it's in chrome finish. So yeah, but overall it's perfect to have in the collection, to start the collection with. I started my collection with this watch. So this, I mean, this watch stood here, was the only one for many years, I suppose, around about 7-8 years. It was the only watch I had in my collection, and I used to wear it daily, and the strap was still intact. I mean, it's a very good strap. Talking about the strap, if you say, I mean, from front it's all carbon fiber texture kind of a thing, and at the back it's leather. It's quite dirty because you can see the stains over here. I mean, I wore it quite many times, so mind that. But yeah, and look at the shine of every single piece on it. I mean, it's amazing. You can see it's quite, till now, I mean, it's, I wore it in all kind of circumstances. I mean, used it so rough, but still it's still in a perfect condition, no scratch, nothing. It's perfect. I mean, I don't try my level best to don't bring any kind of scratches or anything, but accidentally some happens, that is something else. But you can see the crystal, I mean, the sapphire is still so clean, and there are no dents. I mean, the camera is not doing the justice, and the look of the watch is quite phenomenal. I mean, you can see it's perfect to have in the collection. But I don't know, it's very hard to get these kind of watches. I mean, you have to be lucky enough to get something. But most probably these were I mean, this is a very old watch, so it won't be available. But maybe on the second-hand market, someone somewhere would be selling it or something. I'm not. But the dial is amazing, guys. The gray, the light gray, and the lines coming in it comes out really perfect. And the blue combination with the gray is amazing. The hands, which are in blue, and it looms very well as well. Only the loom is only in the minute and hour hand, and rest is without the loom. So only these two loom, but it's perfect. So let me try it on my wrist. Let me take off my other watch first, which is Omega Speedmaster. You can did a review of this watch. You can see that. So yeah. So it's quite hard kind of a material used in this strap, but it's a little loosened now. I mean, maybe I have loose weight or something, but you can see how perfect it looks on the wrist. Amazing watch to have. I'm really in love with this watch, though it's not that pricey as I said before, but price doesn't matter. I mean, the dial and the look of the watch matters, what I think, in the watch collection or watch. If you are a watch lover, these kind of things matter. I mean, they are expensive watches, but this is something, you know, you don't get every day. Yeah, really love the carbon fiber texture over here. So yeah, this is GC Guess Collection, a lovely watch to have in the collection. And these kind of brands do come out with something really nice. I mean, you have to keep an eye on them. And what I've noticed in my past few years, and they are really good pieces, and they are really complement caterers. I mean, people really admire them, the dial and the quality, because these are designers, so they design very kind of unique things in the watches. Just like their clothes and everything, their watches are sometimes, I mean, they are worth getting and keeping, and can be used daily as well. So yeah, guys, this is Guess Collection, and hope you have enjoyed the video, and please do subscribe to my channel, and some new video is coming. This is the last video, I suppose, for the collection I have, and something new is coming as well, so stay tuned, and more car videos will be coming as well. So if you are a car lover, stay tuned as well, because new things are coming, so be there to watch them. Till then time, take care and goodbye.